What's up, guys? Welcome back to a new video. Y'all already know how this thing finna go. We got the SCR over here in the cut, and Jit ass is ready to go. Anyways, in today's video, what we're gonna be doing is we're gonna be replacing the intake on here. I still got stock intake on here. You'll see it more when I take all this stuff off, but stock intake right now. I got a ported intake that I'm gonna be putting on here in a couple seconds because we need some more power. And I was to get more power, then got poured in the intake. So I guess let's get to it. It's super simple, super easy. It's not gonna be a long talk video. It's literally what, like 6 screws, 2 or 3 hoses, and the intake come off. So it's nothing too hard. I'm not gonna really explain myself. I haven't really been explaining myself anymore like that. If you know, you know. If you don't, watch and find out. But yeah, let me go ahead and get this cover off, and we're gonna snatch this intake off real quick. I gotta get my strut bar off too. Oh, I forgot to get tape so I can redo these wires. It's whatever. Don't stay that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and this shit comes right off. Let's get to this shit because I'm losing daylight, and yeah, don't want to do that. Lost enough of it already. Alright, intake off. It literally took me 5 minutes. Not even. That's the old intake. You can see it's still got the plate. What's the cause on the side? On this side too. Keeping that intake though. And the new intake is right here. This is that. So I got my blockout plates on the side. So this we throwing on here. Should gain a lot of up top power with that. But I have to change the throttle body over right now in the intake. I wasn't able to really sit you guys up anyway. I left my tripod in the house. I didn't feel like going to go get it because this really like takes 5 minutes. So I'm gonna swap this over. I'm gonna swap this over and then get you guys back. Putting a Alright, put the intake on there. Everything back together like it's supposed to be. I gotta go to AutoZone and get me a hose to run from here back to there. Ain't gonna tell you the story behind that. If Terrence see, he'll ask me. So I guess we'll see if he watches this video, because I know he's gonna say something if he sees that. Hang on, what the fuck happened right there? Why is that gone? But anyways, yeah, done. Now I'm gonna go start this baby up and take it for a test drive and see how everything goes, see how everything flows. I'll give you guys a start up. Give me 1 second. It's not gonna be cold start. I literally just finished driving this car. I just did this after driving this car for like a good 45 minutes and hopped straight into it. Got it done in less than 30 minutes. So let me get everything together, put all my tools back, and I'll give you guys a start up and we'll go for a test drive. Alright, start up. Hopefully it starts up nice. Alright, everything seems to be going as planned as of right now. Let's take it for a test drive and see what it does. So with this setup, I'm supposed to lose a little bit of down low, but gain mid and top. So we're gonna go test that theory right now. Didn't mean to do that in the neighborhood. I forget I have to stay under 3,000 so it doesn't pop. Alright. Dang, I should have brought the dang GoPro. It's hard to hold this fat ass camera while driving, especially trying to shift gears. It's different than the G. I don't feel like I lost no low end at all. Tires actually going to spin up a lot quicker than they usually do. I do notice that the car is idling. Oh, never mind, it went back down. It's gonna hear. Yeah. Car's idling the same. So we'll do the AC on 1100. The car even sounds different right now for some reason. Maybe that part's in my head, but the car to me sounds more angry, I guess. Ah! Feels real nice though. I was at 100 before I even knew it. Jeez. Car feels so different. Well, not so different, but different enough to where I can notice it. Damn. Car feels so nice with that shit. I fuck with it. I fuck with that. Third gear ain't never spun out on me like that, especially when I had good tires. It always does that when I don't have tires, not when I have good tires. Damn, shit feels good though. I fuck with it. Just made it back to the crib. My idle may have went up like maybe 200 RPMs. It usually sits at around like 1,000. It's fluctuating from like 1,100 to 1,000. So idle did go up a little bit, but I know that's all tunable shit. So either there's two things it could be. Either it's the idle went up because of the intake, or I might have to do a throttle idle relearn on this. I didn't do an idle relearn, so that might be the case in this scenario. But either way, the car feels freaking great. Looks freaking great. Whoever want that smoke, let me know. You know, down the race for content. Win or lose, I don't really care. I'm doing this shit for the fun. These tires just got hell though. Dang, these tires still got some good life. On that launch though, I seen nothing but smoke behind me. Damn, these tires still got good life. Here I am thinking I'm smoking these tires the fuck out, and these bitches got some good life still. But yeah, y'all, with that being said, appreciate y'all for watching. That's gonna be it for this video. Told y'all not gonna be nothing too crazy. It's gonna be a small, simple install. So appreciate y'all for watching. I'm gonna keep y'all updated on what's next. I got something coming up next for this car. I got like 5 things that I got to do on this car. So today was only one of those things. Hopefully sooner than later, I'll be showing you guys the rest of the stuff. I've been getting a lot of positive comments on this car, and More positive comments on the Ultima than I did on the G, which to me is very odd, but hey, I'm down for the positivity and I appreciate y'all for it. So see y'all on the next one.